Welcome to my channel Tech Tips. In today's video, I'll showcase you how to configure the feature of zones on the Aruba IAP. Before going towards the configuration, I will briefly explain you why this concept of zones used in the IAP. See, normally you can see a multiple IAP clusters in your network. Just imagine in a IAP cluster, if there are 10 to 15 IAPs are deployed, you may not require each and every place in your office or in your home premises the same SSID should be broadcasted. Just an example, in your office you are broadcasting three SSIDs for as a employee, contractor and guest. Okay, so see why the SSID like a employee, contractor or guest may be required in the reception area. See, reception area is mainly meant for a employee kind of a user or a guest kind of a user, or there might be a conference room which is for the or internal ODCs where only the employee is required. So what happens on the Aruba IAP is like if you configure one SSID, by default the same SSID will be reflected in the entire cluster. Okay, you cannot control this. To control this SSID based on the specific area or region, the concept of zone is introduced. Now I'll showcase you how to configure the zones. Log into the IAP. So you can create a new SSID or you can make the changes in the existing SSID itself. So I'll make the changes in the existing SSID in the test. Go to the edit section. In the edit section you can see these three kind of employee roles, right? So SSID roles. So there is an option called as a show advanced option. Click on the advanced option. So you can see a zone. Okay, zone you can give it as a name. I'll give it as a name as a ABCD. Okay, so just remember whatever you're typing now, if you, because the same thing you need to match in each and every IAP, the same spellings. Okay, so here I have given ABCD everything in the small. Then just click on the next and save the configuration. Okay, now you can see there are two IAPs in the cluster. Okay, so now what happens, both the IAPs are broadcasting Aruba and test SSID. Now your requirement is you want to broadcast only test SSID in the second IAP. Okay, so now go on the second IAP and click on the edit. You can see the option as a zone. Okay, just type the match the name whatever you have configured there. So I will type it as a ABCD. Okay, that's it. Go and save. So now what happens? The person who is in near the AP, the second AP, okay, which is with the MAC ID B4, ending with the B4, can able to see only the SSID text, but no Aruba SSID shown to him. Remember one thing: whenever you configure the zone, no, so the zone can be configured only for one SSID. Okay, if you have any specific area where you want to broadcast two SSID, it cannot be done. You can configure only one SSID. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have any queries.